Hi friends, welcome back. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is about tips for intraday traders. So in this video I will be covering when you should select the stock and what are the important points while you should look while selecting a intraday stock. So welcome to this video.
So for starting how to select the intraday stocks, first you have to go to this TradingView website. Okay, in this TradingView website, this is a free website, so you can give your details and you can log into this website. And once you log into this website, you have to give this watch list. First you have to add Nifty, you have to add the sector wise, you have to add Bank Nifty, you have to add IT, all the sectors. You have to add pharma, metal, energy, reality, infra, mid cap, everything you can add in this and you can keep it. So this is the first thing which you have to do once you start trading after 9:15. So before 9:15 you have to add all these things in TradingView website and you have to keep it. So first once the market opens at 9:15, what you have to do is you have to see which sector is moving up. Say for example, if Bank Nifty is moving up, you should select Bank Nifty stocks. If IT is moving up, you should select IT stocks, and if auto is moving up, you should select auto stocks. Likewise, you can select the sector which is you are bullish and the market is bullish, and if you are going to short any position, you should see which sector is down that day after 9:15. So first, what you have to do is, if you are you want to select any IT stocks, you have to first see which all companies come under IT. So for that you can Google IT indices, or you can Google IT indices. So you in this you can see which all stocks are coming under this sector, IT sector. So these are the stocks which are coming under this IT, TCS, Infosys, HCL. So my suggestion is either you select 3 or 2, any 2 of this stock you should select, and what you have to do is you have to keep this in the watch list. So once you make this watch list, first you have to select the banking stocks, Bank Nifty stocks. After that you have to select Infosys, TCS. Why we have selected Infosys and TCS? Because these are this maximum weightage stocks in this indices. So in this manner you have to select all this sector wise. So in auto you have to select the auto stocks which is having the maximum value. So in auto stocks, Hero MotoCorp and M&M is having maximum weightage, so you can select these stocks. And same as in this pharma, Sun Pharma and Divi's Lab is having. So likewise you can select the stock and keep in your watch list. So first you have to select the sector wise, and you have to see whether the which sector is moving up. So in this example, so after 9:15, if IT sector is moving up, so in this IT sector is almost 1.4. Now its market is closed. So you have to see after 9:15 which sector is moving up. So if IT sector or auto sector is moving up, so let's say take the example of IT sector. So if IT sector is moving up, you should my suggestion is you can select the stock which have not moved that much up. So in these two stocks, if Infosys have not moved that much up, you can select Infosys in this opening itself. So you have to open this graph, and in this graph I have selected volume, VWAP and moving average, 20 exponential moving average. So and 1 minute ka chart is which I am looking for. And see the market, if the market opens at 9:15, you have to see, first thing you have to see if the volume is happening. See in this 9:15, 9:17, 9:18, here you can see if you wait till 9:90, no, this is above VWAP. this candlestick should be above VWAP and the volume should be there, positive volume. See here you can see positive volume in green, so it's positive. And if you buy from here 1126, you can get up to 1139, and you don't know whether the market again will go up or down. So see, when you can close this position, here you can see the big volume sellers are there. So in this area, this candlestick, it's below this moving average. So in here you can see 1134, this is the point where you have to close your position. Okay, so once you open the trade at 919, you can close it by 948, 950. Okay, this is how you should do intraday trading. First you should look into the sectors which are moving up, and in that sectors you should select the stock which have not moved that much up. Okay, so if there is a movement of 3 or 4% in the stock, you should not select that stock, you should select the other stock from that index. So in IT, if TCS have moved 4 or 5%, 4%, you should not select TCS, you should select Infosys if it have moved 1% or like that. So this is how you have to select this intraday stocks. So first thing you have to note is VWAP, the volume should be there, and the moving average. So if it is above this moving average, I have selected 20 days ka moving average, that too exponential moving average. If it is above that, it's good, you can go bullish on this stock, and this is how you get profit from intraday stocks. So that is how you have to select all the sectors. Here I have added all the sector stocks, and first I have added all the sectors in TradingView website, and after that the 2 or 3 stocks I have added in this Zerodha watch list. So once you see which sector is moving up after 9:15, if you see any of this sector moving up, you should go behind that sector which is on positive, and if you are bearish, you should if the market is going down, and you can see which sector is going very down, and for example in this the metal sector is down, energy is almost 1.4% down. So in this energy, if you take energy, Reliance and BPCL is coming under energy, so you can see these stocks are down. So in the morning, if you see this sector down, you have to go short on these sectors, and you have to see the graph also, how the graph behaves. If it is below the VWAP, you can go short, and if it is above VWAP, you should go buy, and you should see the volume also. Okay, so this is how you can select the intraday sector stocks, and you can trade.
Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe for this channel.